guys, a few years ago we built this little cubby and it had asbestos tile that was white and really gross, and I painted it dark gray. And I don't know if you can see that from there, but it's starting to peel off and just not look that great anymore. So I ordered the Floor Pops tiles and in the black and white pattern, and I'm going to put them down and see if it looks better. I have a lot of sons. Each pack comes with 10 tiles and they look like this, and it looks like they're set up to line up any direction with a tile next to it. So my thing is 5 times 2, so I figured 1 for this closet, and if it goes well, I have a matching closet on the other side that we did not turn into a seating area. It still has doors and holds coats and boots and things. So let's see. No restrictions. Let's see what this says. Mark straight lines, leaving the black liner out, lay tiles from the center to the walls. I had such a small space, I need to do that. It says for all optimal adhesion, use a 75 to 100 pound tile roller to strengthen the bond. Because there's no traffic on this one, I think I'm gonna be okay just pressing it down. Okay. The one thing is my bench has little legs in the corners, and I might need some help. I'm going to lift up this leg, and then I want you to slide the tile on under there. Okay?
Do we have to do this 3 times?
No, maybe. We'll see. Okay, it's kind of sticky on the bottom, so grab it by the edges. Okay, shove it. Let's actually start over here. This side. Oh, you're right. This one's not level, is it? Hedgie's our 2-week-old rescue kitten. His mama died, and we're taking good care of him. You got another one? This is Rice, who also lost her mama about 2 weeks old, and she's been adopted too. Hedgie just needs to be snuggled. Okay. All right, back to work. Okay, I marked a line directly in half with a straight edge, and then I'm cutting it with Cutco scissors, and that's going to finish out my closet, so I'll have 1 tile left over, which excites me because I think I'm going to buy another box and do the other side. This looks really cute. And then maybe I'll have other projects too. So I should have 2 tiles left over then, and I don't know, you could make coasters and all sorts of fun stuff with these. Okay, the non-cut edge I'm going to line up with the tiles. I'm going to put the cut edge against the wall. I'm gonna screw this back into the wall and put everything together. I'm thinking it'd be cute to put some wallpaper in back here. So we'll see. Another project, another day. Also need a black light switch cover. And this is our mail slot, and I'm looking for a cover for that too. But anyway, there she is. Up above we have hats, mittens, scarves, and I don't even know, blankets or something. Maybe even tools for home projects hiding up there. And I love the wicker baskets, except they shed, and it's kind of messy, but anyway, useful.